Hello, car friends. Every step I'm going to show you has been checked by professional mechanics, so relax. This has a solution. If your Hyundai showed the message "Check Forward Safety System," don't worry. It doesn't mean your car has gone crazy or is about to take off on its own. It simply means that the system designed to help prevent front collisions detected something unusual and temporarily turned off to protect you. The first thing you should check is something really simple: cleanliness. Often dust, mud, insects, snow, or even raindrops can cover the camera or front sensors. When that happens, the system can't see properly and triggers the warning. Mechanics agree that many times just cleaning the camera and sensors makes the message disappear immediately. Next, if everything is clean, pay attention to the weather conditions. Heavy rain, fog, snow, or even direct sunlight on the camera can confuse the system a bit. In these cases, nothing is broken. The car just temporarily disables the system until conditions improve. Many recommend driving for a few minutes under normal conditions and seeing if the message goes away on its own. If the warning comes and goes intermittently, it almost always indicates a temporary electronic glitch. This often happens after disconnecting the battery, doing maintenance, or from strong vibrations on the road. Turning off the car, waiting a few minutes, and then restarting it often allows the system to reset and return to normal. Now, if after cleaning, driving, and restarting the message still appears, there may be a more serious issue: misaligned or damaged sensors, or a camera that's out of position. In these cases, the fix usually requires a professional recalibration at a shop. Some mechanics have even had to replace the front camera, though this is not the most common scenario. Finally, don't forget to check the battery and vehicle voltage. A low or unstable battery can confuse the electronic modules and trigger warnings like this, even if no sensors are damaged. According to experts, many times simply charging or replacing the battery makes the message disappear completely.